Welcome back to our channel, Comtech Geeks. Today, we've got a special video for you all. We'll be diving deep into Windows troubleshooting using three powerful tools, dxdiag, rstrui.exe, and chkdsk. Whether you're experiencing performance issues, crashes, or just want to keep your PC in top shape, these tools can be incredibly helpful. So, let's get started. Alright, let's start with the first tool, dxdiag. DxDiag is a diagnostic tool that provides information about your system hardware and software, helping you identify potential problems. To run DxDiag, simply open CMD as administrator, then type DxDiag and hit enter. DxDiag is great for initial system checks, but if you're still having issues, the next tool can be a real lifesaver. Now, let's move on to rstrui.exe, the system restore utility. This tool allows you to revert your Windows system to a previous state when it was working correctly. Using rstrui.exe can often fix issues caused by software installations, updates, or configuration changes. However, if your problems are deeper, we have one more ace up our sleeve. Chkdsk, short for chkdsk, is a command line utility that scans and repairs issues with your hard drive or SSD. It's a valuable tool for fixing disk-related problems. Chkdsk can take some time to complete, especially if it's repairing disk errors, but it's worth it to ensure your storage drive is in good shape. That's a wrap for today's video. We've covered three essential tools for troubleshooting Windows issues: dxdiag, rstrui.exe, and chkdsk. Remember, before you use any of these tools, it's always a good idea to back up your important data just in case. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.